We just recently put in some dedicated room mics for our in-ears and for our live stream mix. We had a shotgun mic of mine that we were using before, but we just recently got dedicated mics for that. The thing you got to work on is just finding the right balance there between and loud enough that it really makes a difference, and then like too loud where it's like just sounds muddy. So part of that is just EQing that. Pretty drastic there. But here, I'll show you an example of this. So you can hear it there really well, actually. And let me know if you think that the room mic is too overpowering in that situation, because in my ears, in my headphones, it sounds great to me. It doesn't sound too overpowering, but I've also realized that on other TVs, it can sound a little overpowering. I'm curious to see what other people think on other listening devices. But let me play that again, and I'll just solo that out so we can just hear it by itself. So that's the room mic by itself there, and that's the EQ that I have on it. I'm going to play that a little bit, and let's cut that EQ just to see what it sounds like before and after. And turning the EQ off right here. I'll take the low cut off too. You can see how muddy that is. You can see how muddy that is without that low cut, especially, but then also the EQ helps too. So let's bring that back in here. Low cut on, EQ on. So it just gives a little bit room ambience. You can hear kind of what's happening in the room, but then also all those cuts help emphasize the people singing in the sanctuary and stuff, which is what you want, right? So that's a look at that room mic. I've been spending the last couple of weeks kind of dialing that in. I'm trying to find a sweet spot, hopefully a place where I can leave it, and I can leave it right here. Someone doesn't have to ride that fader depending on what's going on.